tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to ask if you're okay.
Hi guys, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a vlog. I know it's been a minute, it has been so long since I filmed a video. This is only my second one of the year and we're in April. So big apology for that. If you missed my last video, I will link it below, but I kind of just explain everything that's been going off in my life and have a little bit of a cry. But yeah, if you do want to know where I've been, I will put that in the description box for you all. But on a much brighter note, I thought today we could do a vlog with some baking. I did some Easter baking, and I know Easter's gone now, but I thought I'd include that in today's vlog. And then we have the lead up to Cody's 4th birthday and the day of Cody's birthday in here as well. So I thought that was really sweet and something that Cody can also watch and look back on when he's older as well. So this is what today's vlog is all about, baking and the lead up and the day of Cody's 4th birthday. Sorry guys, I literally just had to turn the brightness down. I was so bright, I took glowing to a new level. I just want to apologise as well because you might be able to tell in my voice, but I'm quite poorly at the moment, but makeup and doing your hair does wonders. But I really wanted to get this vlog up for you all because I've put it off long enough. And yeah, as I said, Easter's gone. Easter was a couple of days ago, and because I've got Easter baking in here and Cody's birthday, I don't want to leave it much longer. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling, and I hope you all enjoy today's vlog. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, please leave a little comment letting me know that you still watch my channel, because I know I've been gone quite a while. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Right, so because I've not baked in a very long time, I thought today we could do like some mini egg cookie bars. So I've just come into the kitchen, and as you can see, we've got some mini eggs, some Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix. I've got 2 packs of these because I've got to fill like a brownie tray with some greaseproof paper to make them into bars and not obviously cookies. And I thought this was like on the theme of Easter because it's that time of year. And I've got my, like, I don't even know what they call this. Is it just a normal spatula, but it's silicone? And of course we've got some chocolate chips to go in there as well. We've got some white chocolate and some milk chocolate. I always call this normal chocolate. I don't know what it is. Since being little, I call it normal chocolate instead of milk chocolate because I always forget the name. And then we have got this bowl as well, my big mixing bowl. So yeah, what I'm going to be basically doing from here is putting you all in a little time lapse as normal, and then we will get into the baking. Do you like my spring flowers, by the way, guys? These are so pretty. My voice is going, I'm really sorry, but I'm getting ill. So without further ado, cue the time lapse.
I never cared much for the traffic in Midtown, so I moved down south. I don't know where you are now. It's getting exhausting trying to imagine settling down when it's already happened. The peace of my heart is stuck in Manhattan. The last 4 years, you're all I've known. Guess I forgot how to be on my own. I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should have moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine. Trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. Left on my nightstand. I have to admit, this is never what I planned. The hoodies, the t-shirts, the handwritten notes, the book from your parents I never let go. You left so much more than your words and your clothes. So I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should have moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine. Trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going just give my heart a break. And I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should have moved on. Don't even know if it's love now.
So guys, I've just gone ahead and finished the baking. I honestly think these look so sick. Like, look at the little mini eggs. And I had to add some extra ones on top because the oven kind of like, not melted the others, but the colour faded. So I just pushed them down a little bit and put them on top. But these look so cute. I love the Easter theme. But yeah, I thought these looked really, really cute. Very Easter themed, and I love the like little pastel spring colours of mini eggs as well. And I'm obsessed with this new chopping board from Dunelm. And yeah, I will see you all in the next clip. Right guys, I'm really, really excited, and I can't even believe I'm saying this, but Cody is going to be 4 on Tuesday, and I'm currently filming this on the Thursday. So I thought I'd give you a sneak peek at everything I've got him for his birthday, and I can talk you through things. So today I'm going to be wrapping everything and showing you what I've bought him, and tomorrow his helium balloons are coming, and Sunday we'll be getting his cake, and then Tuesday will be his actual birthday. So we've got a lot of birthday prep going on, and I'm hoping his Moonpig card comes tomorrow as well. So I thought I'd just show you some of his presents in more detail. So for those of you that didn't know, Cody has autism and he's classed as non-verbal, so I thought this would be a really, really fun way for him to interact. So I'm sure a lot of people will have seen these on TikTok, and they're just early educational cards. So you just slot them into the machine and it reads the picture and the word. I know Mila will absolutely love this as well because she loves little games like this, so definitely know she's going to share this with Cody. So I do feel like they're both going to get the use out of this. Then moving on, for Christmas I got Cody about, I think I got him 3 of these, and these are the coolest things in the world. I nearly bought myself one. So it's just like a sensory glitter bottle when the camera focuses. I don't know what's wrong with this camera, but it keeps going out of focus. Like, how cool is that? So as I said, Cody is classed as non-verbal, but I did ask Cody what he wanted for his birthday, and he did actually tell me twice he wanted a car. So I'm not sure what kind of car he meant, but downstairs I've got him a ride-on little Mercedes, which is adorable. And as you can see, I've got some variations of cars in the background, some books with like vehicles on, so I kind of wanted to cover all bases. He also loves looking through books, and he loves wheels as well. So these are like interactive because you can spin them, and this just says my first London taxi. And I like the fact they're quite simple as well, they're not hard to understand. And then I also got my first London bus down here, and these also spin. He also loves dinosaurs, so I know he's going to love this. So that's that one. And then at Christmas as well, I got in some sensory panels. I've got one that magnifies and one with purple glitter. So I thought I'd get this one, and this is a silver glitter panel. Up here we've got one of those, you know, like the little boards with the pens you can write on, and you press a button and it gets rid of everything. Cody loves these, so I've bought him one of these. It's a bit bigger than his last one, so I'm really hoping he likes this. And I'm sure he will, because honestly, he loved the last one we had. But I got this off TikTok shop as well. Right up there, although you can't see what it is, it's a little jigsaw with different types of cars in, which I know he'll love because he's just started doing jigsaws. And then here, we've got Cody's Toot Toot driver trucks. I did give him one of these early, not any of the ones here. It was a little fire truck because I got Mila a doll because she keeps asking for a baby. So I gave Cody the little fire truck one early, and he's obsessed with it because he already had a yellow one. And then I've got him these ones. One of these is actually off my mum, and I'm waiting for another one to come today because my mum didn't know what to get him. And at the moment, these are his favourite toys out of everything. I've also got him some clothes as well, but before I show you the clothes, how amazing is this hype bag? So Cody loves like bright colours, Galaxy, Universe print. So do I, to be honest. I'm really happy he does. And I got him this hype bag because Cody starts school in September, and I just think this is sick. I don't think... Oh, it's even got the hype logo inside. I didn't even realise. Like, how cool is that? I'm really, really nervous for Cody to start school, but I'm also really excited for him because I think he'll love it. At the moment, I'm not sure if Cody will be going to an additional needs school or a mainstream school. It's all in the process. But I will keep you posted. Either way, as long as he's happy and he gets everything he needs and more, I'm more than happy to do whatever's best for Cody. And I'll just grab you one of the cars to show you up close. I don't want to get copyrighted, but the faces light up, I'll mute it. So yeah, I'm going to move all these now and show you his... I've got him a little jacket and some shoes that I want to show you all, and then we're going to get wrapping. Ta-da! Right, I actually think this jacket is one of the coolest things, if not the coolest things I've ever bought Cody. So this is a jacket from River Island, and I'm pretty sure I've got this in 45 because, like I said, he's going to be 4, but he's really tall, and I love this. Honestly, if they had this in my size, I would 100% buy it for me. I love the little denim hood with the panels, with the colours. Just like such a good like baseball jacket. I'm obsessed, and I genuinely think the detailing on this is so sick. Like, it's embroidered, it's got little patches, and yeah, I really can't wait to put him in this. And then I got some shoes. I think these were from River Island as well, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And I thought they'd go really nice with the jacket. When we focus, there we go. And I just thought they matched really well, like the black panelling with the white, and obviously it's light grey goes with the denim. And I think these are going to be a little bit big for him at the moment, but it will soon grow into them. So yeah, these are his little outfits. I've got him some more clothes for Easter, but I didn't want to get him too much for his birthday. I wanted to kind of focus more on toys and things that I know he's going to like, because obviously he's not going to care that much about clothes. He's 4. Well, he's going to be 4. So I kind of just wanted to get him less clothes and more things he's actually going to enjoy, because I can get him clothes any time of the year, do you know what I mean? He's only turning 4 once, but I did think he needed a good pair of shoes and a good jacket.
I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to ask if you're okay, but you should know at the end of the day, when you don't know how to be strong, you can't lean on me. I'll be your rock at the bottom. You don't have to be cool, 'cause I see through it. If your world is feeling heavy, I can carry it too. Let me be a friend.
So Cody's Moonpig cards come, and I thought I'd show you it all. As you can see, the first photo is when Cody was a newborn. This one here is from his first birthday in lockdown, and then this one is from when he was 2, and then this one was from December just gone because he was 3, and then obviously he's going to be 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I thought that was really cute. And then inside it just says, "To a very special little man." And then I've just wrote some stuff in here. So every year I like to get the kids cards that's personalised with a little message inside they can read back when they're older. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the envelope. And I hope Cody likes looking at the pictures. So I thought I would come in the kitchen and show you all Cody's cake. How adorable is this? So Cody is obsessed with cars at the minute, and this is so gorgeous. I literally think every year Lauren gets better and better. I'll put her Instagram on the screen down, but it's at Flower Girl. The detailing on this is absolutely insane. And can we just take a moment of appreciation for how neat the fondant rainbow is? Because that is dedication. I'm literally so excited to see Cody's little face. Even the little clouds and the wheels on the car, this is just so stunning. As always, we got matching cupcakes, so I'll just go ahead and show you those. She's matched the cars and the clouds and the colours so well to the cake. And then we've just got this one that says happy birthday, the little swirls. So happy with these. These are stunning. So yeah, let's go say happy birthday to Cody.
I knew when I saw you, didn't care about the party. Wishing all of these people would just head out so we can talk. I could tell by the smile when you asked where to write your name on my wall. Wish I met you at 16, wish I could have taken you to prom. Better late than never, I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need. the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever, but better late than never. Better late than never.
I'm gonna get him.
Good days and bad days, and all I can
Whose
call.
birthday is it? Is it Cody's birthday?
Always have answers to problems that I never saw.
And he's got a
Green
cat.
eyes, I love to get lost in this world. Now all the time that we have left doesn't seem like it's enough. Better late than never. I see us spending days together, sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did before you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Somehow it keeps getting better. I waited forever. All the love I made and lost before we met seems so far gone. I wish it wouldn't have taken so long, but better late than never. I see us spending days together,
Happy birthday, Cody!
sketching pictures up and singing songs, wondering what I did for you came along. Oh, you're just what I need, the best part of me. Oh, it keeps getting better.
Is that your mama? That's you?
I waited forever, better late than never. Somehow it
Right guys, so we are now back. Hopefully you enjoyed the little clips at the end as well from Cody's birthday. I know there wasn't too many, but I thought it was really sweet. It's literally been the longest time since you've seen footage of Cody and Mila. I think the last time was Christmas Day. So I really hope you're enjoying seeing them growing up. It's crazy to me how much more Mila's speaking now and interacting. And Cody has got so much taller, and you know what, he's doing so well. I'm so proud of him. He's come on so much. He started responding to his name as well sometimes now, which is really nice to see. And I can say, Cody, do you want to cuddle, and put my arms out, and he just runs to me, and it's the sweetest little thing. I'm honestly incredibly proud of both my children, and I'm very lucky and blessed that I've got two gorgeous, happy, healthy babies. It makes me emotional every time I think about it. And to even process that he's 4 and Mila is going to be 3 this year. Mila, she feels like my tiny newborn still. Can't even process it. But yeah, if you did enjoy today's video, as I said at the beginning guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. And if you do want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, I do post content on there as well. So I will link my Insta in the description